Hi everyone, it's Bite-Size CG, learn 3D by taking small bites. As I said last time, I'm going to show you a few ways how you can speed up your modeling process. As you can see around the scene now, this one is called the perspective mode because if any angle you look at it, it goes and follows the rules of the perspective, how you would see an object in real life. This can make the modeling process a bit time consuming, especially if you're modeling a house or something from a field or something that requires more precision, or using image after you are modeling. So for that we use a mode called orthographic mode, and we can activate it by pressing numpad 5, and you see all the lines just follow one direction, and we can navigate through this mode. Also in perspective mode you can also use the shortcuts, but the effect is a bit different. So for example, if you want to see only the side where the door is and giving the rotation of the house right now, we would press numpad 1. And we press numpad 1 and we can see the front of the house. If we want to see the side where are the windows, we just press numpad 3. And if we want to see the house from the top looking down, we just press numpad 7. Okay, that's pretty much how we navigate through it. But what if you want to see underneath the house? Are you going to go like this? No, that just would take too much time. So if you go on top view, if we press numpad 9, it just reverses the side we're looking at. Also works for the other sides too. So if we're looking at the side with the mirror, with the windows, we press numpad 9 and it goes to the other side. Also, we are seeing the front of the house here, press numpad 9 and we go and see the other side. And if you use the other shortcut keys in the numpad, for example 4 or 6, it just moves around to the left or to the right. And if we use 2 or 8, it just moves up or down. So this is just a quick tutorial on how you can navigate easier through the scene using orthographic mode. You can also navigate like this using the perspective mode. So thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, leave a like or a comment. And if you didn't subscribe, consider subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this video. So see you next time.